Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn the examples of aromatic bases. So the question is aniline, which is an aromatic base. Aniline is weaker base than cyclohexylamine. Okay. So here is the structure of aniline, aromatic ring, NH2. This is aniline, and cyclohexylamine is this 6-membered ring containing NH2. Now aniline is weaker base than cyclohexylamine. That means cyclohexylamine is stronger one. So pKb for cyclohexylamine it is 3.3 and pKb for aniline it is 9.4. Now if you see carefully the structures of aniline and cyclohexylamine, that this nitrogen is attached to this carbon, which is sp2 hybridized, and sp2 hybridized carbon generally exert minus I effect. Okay, and here in cyclohexylamine this NH2 is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and which exert the plus I effect. And moreover, in case of aniline, the lone pair of nitrogens get involved in delocalization with this phenyl ring, like this. This is the delocalization of electron pair of nitrogens, etc. That means phenyl group shows minus R effect. So due to this, the lone pair on nitrogen not available for donation. These are not available for donation, right? Therefore aniline is weak base because of two reasons. First reason is that NH2 group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon which exerts minus I effect, and second thing is electron pair of nitrogen get involved in resonance with this phenyl ring. Therefore lone pairs of nitrogen are not easily available for donation. In case of cyclohexylamine there is no electron withdrawing effect, so therefore they can easily pick up the proton and form this conjugate acid. Okay, so these carbon atoms adjacent to this carbon, it shows plus I effect. So as the R group increases, electron density around nitrogen atom increases, so this increases the tendency to donate electron pair. So this thing is happened in case of cyclohexylamine. Therefore cyclohexylamine is stronger base than aniline. Aniline having pKb 9.4, orthomethoxyaniline 8.7, and para-nitro it is 13.02. So in this case orthonitro, suppose compound A, B, C. B is stronger base than A, and then see this is the basicity order of these examples. Basicity order. Okay, pKb less, stronger is the base. Okay, so here this OCH3 group exert plus R effect. Okay, so plus R effect increases the electron density around nitrogen atom. Therefore these are the strongest base. In case of nitroaniline, so nitro group shows strong minus R effect. They withdraws electron from this nitrogen. So therefore these are very weak bases, and in case of aniline there is no such effect. These are in between these two. Okay, so this is the basicity order. So effects are very important. Remember these effects: plus I and plus R effect increases basicity, and minus I and minus R effects decreases basicity. These are decreases basicity. So these things are very important. Okay. So 246, the question is 246 trinitroaniline is 40,000 times weaker base than 246 trinitro NN-dimethyl aniline. Why? So let's see the structures. This is aniline. 2, 4, 6 trinitroaniline. This is 246 trinitroaniline, and here is the structure of 246 trinitro NN-dimethyl. So nitrogen is having 2 methyl groups, then 246 trinitroaniline. Okay, so this is stronger. How much? 40,000 times stronger acid than this 246 trinitroaniline. Why? Because if you consider the 246 trinitroaniline, these hydrogens are involved in hydrogen bonding with these OH groups. So this is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And this intramolecular hydrogen bonding hold this NH2 group in the same plane of this benzene ring. Okay, so NH2 and benzene ring is in the same plane because of these two intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Therefore, these electron pairs of the nitrogen and the pi orbital of benzene ring, they are parallel to each other, and due to this there is effective delocalization of these electron take place with this phenyl ring, and there are 3 nitro groups shows strong minus R effect. Therefore, the electron pairs of nitrogen are not available for donation because of this reason. But on the other side, if you see that nitrogen is having 2 methyl groups, okay, and here at ortho position there are 2 NO2 groups are present. So here steric interactions are present, and due to this steric interaction, what happens? These carbon nitrogen single bond rotate itself in such a manner that there should be a less steric interactions. So here what happens? This nitrogen and this benzene ring not remain in the same plane, not in the same plane. So here you can see this. So here this, suppose here these two are in the same plane, but due to steric interaction carbon nitrogen bond rotates like this, and here plane changes. So these planes are perpendicular to each other, and due to this effect what happens? The lone pair of nitrogen, these lone pairs of nitrogen and pi orbital of benzene ring, they are not parallel to each other, they are perpendicular to each other. So therefore there is no delocalization of lone pair. There is no delocalization of lone pair because the lone pair of nitrogen and pi orbital of benzene, they are perpendicular to each other. So carbon nitrogen bond rotate in such manner that these 2 methyl groups are perpendicular to the plane of benzene ring, and therefore due to this factor what happens? The nitrogen lone pair and pi orbital of benzene ring, they are now perpendicular to each other. These are not parallel. For effective overlapping they should be parallel to each other, but due to the perpendicular position these nitrogen lone pair are not delocalized in the benzene ring, so therefore they can easily available for donation. So this effect is called steric inhibition of resonance. So due to steric interaction, resonance is inhibited. This is called steric inhibition of resonance. So this steric inhibition of resonance is present in case of 2,4,6-trinitro-NN dimethyl aniline. Therefore, 2,4,6-trinitro-NN dimethyl aniline is 40,000 times stronger acid than 2,4,6-trinitro-aniline. So these are the examples of aromatic bases. Next point is heterocyclic bases. So first example is pyridine. Pyridine is the weaker base. Pyridine is weaker base. Why? Pyridine is what? It is nitrogen containing 6-membered aromatic ring. Here electron pairs are present. So if you see the structure of pyridine, this nitrogen is sp2 hybridized, which exert -I effect. Okay, so due to this -I effect, these lone pairs are tightly bound to the nitrogen, to the sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom. Therefore, they are not easily available for donation. They are not easily available for donation. So therefore, pyridine is a weaker base. Second example is pyrrole. Pyrrole is also a weak base. Is very weak base. Okay, pyrrole is a 5-membered nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound. This is pyrrole. So lone pair of nitrogen is involved to complete the aromatic sextet of this ring. This is 6-pi electron system. 2 electron for these 2 pi bonds, that is 4, and these 2 electron 6. So these electron pairs are involved to complete the aromatic sextet. Therefore these electron pairs are not available for donation. Not available for donation. Okay. And the last example is pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine is saturated form of pyrrole. So this is strong base. Pyrrolidine is strong base because these R groups exert +I effect. Okay, so +I effect increases the electron density around nitrogen atom. So therefore, the electron pairs are easily available for donation. Therefore, pyrrole is the strong base and pKb of pyrrole is 2.7.